Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. We're in January 2022, and yesterday I got a new seed order in the mail. Now, I do not work for Johnny's. I am not affiliated with Johnny's in any way, shape, or form. If they have what I'm looking for, it's just the company that I buy from. I'm going to be trying a few new things out here. This here is a plant called lemon. And this is supposed to be really pretty when it's dried. They say the flowers on it aren't, it gets pink flowers, but it's not really grown for cut flowers. But when it dries, it gets these real pretty seed pods on it. So I decided to go ahead and give this a try. And we'll see what this one here looks like. I went with a Sunday Gold Celosia. And I tried a creamy white straw flower. Now this here, when it dries, it's supposed to turn a beautiful lemon color. So I was really interested in this one here. And I was seeing they got this one here in stock, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to place my last seed order. This is the last seed order I plan on placing this year for my 2022 gardens. And found some new stuff, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. Now, these are all going to be used for cut flower production, and I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing how these do. So this one here, from my understanding, you can eat the foliage from this. Now, I've never eaten it. I've never grown it before, so I don't know how that works. And I tell you that you want to grow it in full sun and average well-drained soil. So they tell you on here how to harvest this. Now this is also called Jewels of Opar. And I have heard of that before, but like I said, I've never grown it. So it's going to be interesting. And the Sunday Gold Celosia, this here is a plume type celosia. And it's supposed to have beautiful plume flowers on it that are golden color. So I didn't have the gold, and I went ahead and got that. And then, like I said, the creamy white, when I seen that it dries the lemon yellow color, I thought that's really going to be pretty. So really interested in seeing what this one here looks like. So as these grow, I will come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now this one here, I am going to do a video when I start the seeds for it. Because I've never grown it before, and really want to see, how it grows and how to start the seeds. So I'll be doing a video on that when I start them off. And I do have videos on my channel for how to grow and start celosia from seed and straw flowers, so you can check those out on there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!